You're holding a tiny metal disc. Your hand is shaking just a fraction of a millimeter. Suddenly snap. The magnet slams down onto the base with a sharp metallic crack. This is the ritual of the Magnetic Levitation Game Cash Lamp. It is a piece of tech that feels like a magic trick pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. You have this sleek base sitting on your desk. Above it, a small gaming token just hangs there in empty space. There are no invisible strings. There are no transparent plastic pillars. It is just raw physics doing the heavy lifting. The token does not just sit still either. It spins slowly. It catches the light from the LEDs embedded in the base. It creates this eerie, futuristic glow that makes your entire gaming setup look like it belongs in a high-stakes cyberpunk lounge. How does this actually work without falling over? Inside that base is a complex dance of electromagnets and sensors. They are constantly fighting gravity. The circuitry is making thousands of tiny adjustments every second. It keeps that magnetized disc perfectly centered. If you have ever tried to push two identical magnets together, you know they want to slip and slide away. This lamp solves that problem with math and power. But that means you have to be the one to find the sweet spot. Setting it up is not for the impatient. You have to lower the token into the field with a steady hand. You feel the magnetic pull fighting you. Then, for a brief second, the tension disappears. The token goes weightless. That is when you let go. It is a satisfying moment of triumph. If you bump the desk or sneeze too hard, the whole thing might come crashing down. You need a rock-steady surface for this to stay functional. Let us be real about what this is and what it is not. This is not a lamp that is going to help you read a book at night. The light is purely for atmosphere. It is a conversation starter. People walk into the room and see a piece of metal floating in midair. They immediately want to poke it. It is a pure novelty item. For a gamer or a tech collector, it is the ultimate desk flex. It looks incredible on camera if you are a streamer. However, the market is flooded with different versions. Some of the cheaper ones use weak magnets or have noisy internal parts. You want a version that feels solid. The higher quality ones handle the stabilization much better. You also have to keep it away from other electronics or loose change. Anything metal nearby can warp the magnetic field and ruin the effect. It is a high-maintenance roommate for your desk. Is it worth the money? If you want a tool that serves a purpose, then no. This provides zero utility. But if you want that feeling of living in the future, it delivers. It is a legit piece of levitation tech. It is not an optical illusion. It is a physical phenomenon sitting right next to your keyboard. It turns a boring workspace into something a bit more mysterious. Just be prepared to spend a few minutes resetting it every time you accidentally kick your desk. It is a toy for the patient. It is a glow-up for the bored. It is one of those rare gadgets that actually does exactly what the box says. Even if what it does is technically useless, that is the charm of it. You are paying for the wow factor in a world of practical, boring devices. Maybe a floating coin is exactly what we need to keep things interesting.